Okay, Lynn, these are the answers for this puzzle. Oh, sorry. Okay, now here, look at this one, Lynn. I want you to look at the pictures and answer the given question. Lynn, how many fruits are there in the picture?
There are 5 fruits.
There are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fruits. Next, which are the fruit words there? What are the words, Lynn? We have apple. What else?
There
Apple.
pear,
Next, a pear. Next,
mango,
mango. Next,
crab,
grapes. And
banana.
coconut. Correct. Now here, Lynn, from those words or from those example of fruits, Lynn, what fruit is your favorite?
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Again?
My favorite fruit is watermelon.
Watermelon. Why watermelon? Because
Because
why? Because you like it? It's juicy?
it's basic.
All right. Okay. Now look at the pictures, Lynn. How many clothes are there in the picture? How many clothes can you see? I can see
I can do 3 clothes.
the 3 clothes. Okay. Now here, what are these clothes, Lynn?
Dress,
Dress,
jeans,
jeans.
and skirts.
Very good. Now here, Lynn, can you tell teacher, what are you wearing today? Are you wearing dress today?
So that I'm wearing a pink t-shirt.
Okay, a pink t-shirt. Thank you, Lynn. Now here, Lynn, how about how many numbers are there in the picture?
I have 2 numbers,
Okay, what are those numbers?
9 and 11.
All right, 9 and 11. That's good. Now here, Lynn, I want you to group these words. All right? These are what we call the rhyming words. For example, bean, clean, green. Okay? They are rhyming words. Lynn, I want you to find the rhyming words of the word day, right, 3, zoo, and ball. Go, Lynn. Lynn, just try to find the ito gani.
Sean Lewis.
Hello. Okay, please read your answers.
Day, day, night. Right, cut, night. Tree, D, D. Zoo, to, you. Born, for, house.
Okay, let's try to check your answer, Lynn. So we have here day, say, correct. For the right, kite, night, correct. For the word three, we have C and B. For the word zoo, we have two and U. For the word ball, we have wall and hall. Very good, Lynn. Great word. All right, so look at there, Lynn. You were able to give the correct rhyme words in the following word, in the given words. Okay? So Lynn, that's all for today. It's already time. You did great for today's activity. So Lynn, I will send to you a homework after this. No, I have class, another one. After that, another class, I'll give your homework for you to do. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next time, Lynn. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. I'll see you again.
Yeah, have a nice weekend.